Can you pass this irregular verbs test? Funny English with Bob. Let's go.
Put, put, put. Yesterday, Bob put his phone in the toaster. Explanation. Put is a lazy verb. It does not change in the past tense. Cost, cost, cost. Bob's new hat cost $100 last week. Explanation. Costed does not exist in this case. Yesterday, today, and always, the verb stays cost.
Cut, cut, cut. Bob cut his own hair yesterday, and now he looks like a pineapple. Explanation. Just like put, this verb never changes.
Hurt, hurt, hurt. Bob tripped over a pizza box and hurt his toe. Explanation. Hurt is another stubborn verb. Its form always stays the same.
Eat, ate, eaten. Bob ate 6 pizzas yesterday. Why? We see yesterday, so we do not use has. We use the second form of the verb, ate. Drink, drank, drunk. Bob was so thirsty that he drank a gallon of soda. Why? Drank is used for an action in the past. Drunk is either the third form of the verb, used with has or had, or an adjective meaning intoxicated. Go, went, gone. Bob went to the moon in his dreams last night. Why? Gone cannot be used by itself without has, have. In the past tense, Bob simply went. Sleep, slept, slept. Bob was exhausted. He slept for 15 hours. Why? This is an irregular verb, so we do not add ed to it. Buy, bought, bought. Bob bought a dinosaur toy at the store yesterday. Why? Bought means purchased, from buy. Brought means carried something somewhere, from bring. This is one of the most common mistakes. Find, found, found. Guess what? Bob found a secret map in his pizza box. Why? Find changes to found in the past tense. Never use finded. Write your score in the comments. Did you manage to get 10 out of 10? Subscribe to the channel to learn English easily and have fun. See you in the next videos.